Hey Groovy babies, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing our next round of downtown variations. I think I covered already 1 through 4, so today we're going to learn 5 and 6. Honestly, I'm really excited. I love downtown whenever you're in a big group and everybody's getting down. So make sure you share these videos with your friends so that you guys can all do it together as a group, as a collective, and feel the vibes. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. I'm going to show you 5 and 6 and then we'll break it down from there. Let's do it!
1, 2, 3, funky.
All right. So to start this variation, I'm going to show you the get down first so you can see what it looks like, and then we'll break it down step by step. Cool? Let's do it. Downtown number 5. All right, that's 5. Number 6 looks like this. Cool. So if it looks simple enough to follow from that, feel free. Like, that's why I do a preview so that like you're like, oh, that's easy, I got that. But for those of you who need that extra breakdown step by step, I got you. So let's start with number 5 and break that down step by step and by count. Cool. Let's go. Woo. Dang. All right, loves. So for downtown number 5, I'm gonna do it facing forward first and then we'll turn around. So you're doing your basic downtown count, right? We're just doing number 1. I call number 5 on this side, right? We're doing 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Hit. Back. Does that make sense? So essentially, this whole move is a series of crossovers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Downtown. And back. Make sense? I'll do it from the back for you. Hit it. Number 5. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit. Downtown. Back again. Make sense? Super easy, super simple. So all you want to do is make sure you're focusing on bending for 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Downtown. I like to do a stomp because that's like indicator. Like, especially if I'm calling, like I feel like that's an indicator for like the crew to like downtown, right? So when you hit it, they know like, okay, we're going back, okay? But that's just me. I don't know if that's everybody. Yeah, so that's about it for number 5. Really simple. Easy peasy. Number 6 is where things start getting a little bit weird, but we got this. I'm gonna walk you through it. So, number 6, again, I'll show you here. I'm gonna call 6 on this side. I'm gonna go back, hit it. Oops, I'm still doing 5. Okay, again. Here, back, crossover, over. 1, 2, 3, out, 4, down, hit it. Okay, so this one, we're gonna pretend that we just did downtown that way, right? And we're coming back. So you're already in this position, right? You're already kind of here. So what you wanna do is, you're gonna step over, out, shimmy, back, shimmy, back, over, out, over, downtown. Hope that makes sense. Let me show you how that step looks in the back. Over, out, shimmy, shimmy, over, out, over, downtown, hit it. Party on. Over, out, shimmy, shimmy, hit, out, downtown, hit it. Hope that makes sense. So I feel like the trickiest part to this move is learning how to, so let's talk about that for a second. So this like little shimmy thing, all it is a transfer, shift, and weight. That's all skating is 100% of the time. Shift and weight, finding that balance. So when I'm doing this, I'm gonna go front foot out, back foot up. And then when it goes back, you don't even have to do it that much. You could go. But the more you do it, the more emphasized it is. Shift to the front, shift to the back. Again, over, shift, back, out. Over, shift, back, out. Over, back, over, back. Weights in the front, weights in the back. And then my weight goes to the right and then to the left. So front, back, right, left. 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 Always make sure you're hitting the beat. Whatever beat, like you're doing the downtown to, it has to be on the beat. So let's do it again. I'm gonna do it with a count so you can get an idea. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's what it would be like. So be ready, whatever tempo, whatever beat you're going to, make sure you're hitting those beats on the beat, every beat. Okay, I feel like that's it. That's 5 and 6. Why don't we kind of like put them all together? So let's put 1 through 6 to some music, kind of vibe out, see what it looks and feels like, see what the calls are like. I feel like that's the thing that's most important is like when you're doing the downtown with a big group of people and like people are making calls but you're not sure when or how like or what that is. So I'll do it and pretend as if I'm doing calls with music going so that you guys can see what it would be like, okay? Cool, let's do it. Okay, so in order to play music while I'm recording, I have to turn my microphone off. So, but that's kind of realistic as to like when you're out skating and the music is blasting and people have to yell these moves, you have to like be alert and it's gonna be loud. So this will be a good test round. This is gonna be a realistic test round. So I'm gonna put my bump box on, the best investment I have ever made in my life. I'll put a code for it down below. Just yes, just yes. So, put this baby on. I won't turn it all the way up because I want you guys to be able to hear me a little bit when I'm making the calls, but okay. Let's do it. All right, babies, let's do this. So we're gonna start with 1 and then hit it all the way through 6, okay? Ready? Hold on. Rocks and shit. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1 pump. 1, 2. Pump, pump, back. Pump, pump. 3. 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the left. To the right. To the left. To the right. To the right. To the left. Back. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. Hit it. 5 again. Why not? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit it. Down. 6. 1, 2. Shimmy. Shimmy. Over. Over. Down. Hit it. 8. One more time. 1, 2. Shimmy. Shimmy. Down. Out. Hit it. Yes! I'm so proud of you. You're doing great. I see you through the screen. That is it, guys. That is it. You just have to take it one step at a time, slowly start building your repertoire, and then slowly you're gonna get to the point where you can do grade school without even really thinking about it. So that concludes today's video. Make sure you're practicing. Practice, practice, practice. Drill it till you kill it. So make sure that you're just giving it time too. So take this week, if you haven't already, practice 1 through 6, practice 5 and 6, then practice adding 1 through 6. And then you'll get to a point where it's gonna be like clockwork. You're gonna be getting down like nobody's business. So I'm excited for this. Maybe one day we can all downtown together, which is my dream. I love doing the downtown with a big group. Yeah, I think that's about it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. And until next time, stay groovy. Peace.